did get this pack a little while ago. I think it's time to open it up. It is cold in here. Alrighty, so I got these because the hex connection. Still a few things that I haven't opened up. Those are garbage. Yeah, that's much better. Alright, so let's do this now. Let's figure out which. I think it's this one still. Is that a match? No. Alright, I'm gonna actually have to use a socket set for those. Sorry, my hands are cold. I will need that for that one. Yes, I will. To get that one out, I'm gonna have to use the extension. Too bad Ryobi doesn't make a good socket set. Seriously, too bad. I would love, if they did, I would buy it. Alright, so see, they have these ones, but it's not, I just don't, I guess that's alright. Yeah, even the biggest one is too small. And this is the winner. Put that aside. There we go, I'll need that. You back. Square this up a little bit better. There we go. They're fatter too. Right now, they are ready. Impact driver for these now. A battery would help, right? Jesus. Good. So this one to drill then. Right here's good. And due to the size of these new bolts, because they're a lot bigger, I will drill a slightly bigger hole for these two. Perfect. I forgot. Need a washer. That thing is fast. Done. See, this house drives us crazy. One other thing that we need to do is that stuff keeps adding to the list. Look what happens when we do laundry. Because this is in a sealed place, the vent is right there, so this place gets like this. See, now it doesn't look as bad if you're in it, but if you're looking at it like that, yeah, that's crazy. The vent that's right there, I'm gonna need to actually just fish that up and go through the attic, and then have there is another vent in the attic. I have two vents in the attic, and so I'm gonna have to feed and make a line that connects to that vent. So this no longer happens like that, because like during the winter, it's just not good. It's just not good. Because like this stuff gets so crazy in here that everything actually gets wet. Hey, you can't tell. Alright, but like everything in here gets wet. It's just, even this lens right now is fogging up a little bit, but that's just one more thing that we have to do. Alrighty, so now that we are in here, let's open this bad boy up real quick. This bad boy did cost a pretty penny, I'll tell you that. But let's do an unboxing of this, since this is for the channel itself. So first thing it comes with, a little bag, which I'll never use. Some instructions. Empty box. Alright, let's take a look at this. Wow, the size of that is huge. Let's go get the 35mm prime lens and compare the sizes really quick. Be right back. That drives me crazy. Alright, the sizes are totally different. Like the 85mm lens is huge. This bad boy is huge. Gotta wipe that off properly. Look at that. Sizes are completely different. What a total size difference. I can't wait to test this out. I cannot wait. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a little bit of footage with this and see what kind of shots I can get.